One thing that I didn't mention is you do have access to time delay with this amplifier, and it's going to be adjusting the left channel only of whatever amp you're adjusting. So let's make sure that we are on amp 1 here. There we go. So this one is illuminated time delay right now since we're on a full range channel. So when you change that time delay knob, you'll add milliseconds in 1/10 of millisecond increments. You can add all the way up to 10 milliseconds of time delay on your left speaker anywhere in the vehicle. So this way, if you guys are doing an active front stage, you can make sure that all of your left speakers are aligned to what you're hearing from the right side of the car. So it'll give you a really nice center image without having to do the whole DSP thing. And you can extend the cable, sit in the driver's seat with this controller, and as you turn that knob, you can actually listen and hear where that soundstage is centered on the dash. So it's a lot of stuff to talk about, but when you guys get these amplifiers and start putting them in cars, you're going to discover that they're very simple to work with, and you can get repeatable good results with them.
Yes.